Sethupthi Tamil movie summary. C. Subbaraj, who is on night rounds in his C3 station limits, is lured into a trap and burnt to death by a group of henchmen. Despite being burnt inside his station limits, he stumbles across a small bridge and dies inside C4 station's limit. This causes tension to the planner of the attack. Sethupthi is the crime section's inspector of C4 station in Madurai who is awaiting his already confirmed promotion to ACP. Subbaraj's case is given to Sethupthi, who finds out that an influential politician, Vatiyar of Melur, is behind the murder. C. Kangvel is married to Vatiyar's daughter, but the marriage is an unhappy one. Due to consistent conflict, Vatiyar tries to make peace between the couple. One day, Vatiyar's daughter comes to his home after being assaulted by Kangvel. Therefore, Vatiyar decides to kill Kangvel. On the eve of the incident, Kangvel faces an accident and is off duty due to minor injury. Subbaraj, who is attached as crime C in the same police station, is filling in for him. Sethupthi arrests Vatiyar during a temple festival and forces him to travel to Chennai to apply for bail, earning his enmity. Later, Sethupthi interrogates two adolescent schoolboys who had sold a stolen chain which was lost in a chain-snatching attempt. When they do not speak up, Sethupthi threatens to shoot them on the count of 5, albeit using a locked gun. At the 5th count, he accidentally shoots one of the boys in the neck when the other tries to flee, leaving him critically injured. Sethupthi is charged with attempt to murder and is suspended. However, he had no intention of shooting either of the boys and realizes someone had unlocked his gun, which he had thought was locked. He soon finds out that Kangvel is responsible for unlocking his gun. Kangvel covertly bribes Constable Muruganandham in C4 station to unlock the gun and replace the bullets with dummy ones, so that Sethupthi will be defenseless when attacked by Vatiyar's men. Kangvel assumes that if an inspector, who is investigating brutal murder of NC, is attacked, the department will retaliate harshly to either kill or to put Vatiyar in prison for life, so Kangvel will not be separated from his daughter. Kangvel reveals the truth to the city police commissioner, and commissioner tells him to repeat it in the enquiry commission, but the same night, Kangvel is tied to a long-distance electric pole and burnt alive by Vatiyar. Sethupthi and Muruganandham appear before an enquiry of 3 officials to prove the former's innocence. However, one of the members of the enquiry panel is an ally of Vatiyar and she tries to influence the panel against Sethupthi. Muruganandham's daughter is kidnapped minutes before the final enquiry, and he turns against Sethupthi. The same evening, the commissioner and regional civil commissioner visit Muruganandham's home and uncover the truth. Since these 2 officers are on the committee, Sethupthi's job is saved. However, Sethupthi's troubles are still not over. Vatiyar starts targeting Sethupthi and his family. Sethupthi overcomes all the hurdles put by Vatiyar and his henchmen. Vatiyar then decides to silence Sethupthi once and for all by sending his henchmen to kill Sethupthi's wife Manlarviji and 2 children, but Sethupthi's son, who is aware of the police work, wields Sethupthi's armed revolver to ward them off. Infuriated with the failed attempt, Vatiyar instructs his men to kill the schoolboy injured by Sethupthi and put the blame on him. However, Sethupthi, aware of Vatiyar's plan, guards the hospital where the boy is admitted and saves him from Vatiyar's henchmen. With Sethupthi returning to work, Vatiyar's henchmen accept defeat and warn Vatiyar to leave Madurai for good, but he does not take heed. The next day, Sethupthi kills Vatiyar by setting his house on fire and closes the case.